To install THOR electronic exhaust system, you need to perform 4 simple steps. The package includes electronic control unit, 1 or 2 loudspeakers, connecting cables and harnesses, and installation manual. The first step is mounting the speaker acoustic system underneath the car. To do this, first define a suitable space at the rear, correctly locate the loudspeaker, and then securely fix it. The loudspeaker is installed with the flare end down in the direction opposite to vehicle motion. Also, please note that the loudspeaker must be fixed higher than the car's road clearance. Securely fasten the speaker acoustic system underneath the car bottom. The loudspeaker should not contact any of other car units. Connect the THOR control unit to CAN bus and car power circuit. On the third step, you need to connect all the components of the system. Connect the main harness of the speaker acoustic system to the control unit cable located in the car interior. To operate your exhaust system via smartphone, just download the official THOR app and pair your mobile device with the electronic control unit. All that is left to do is select your car model. Operate the system by using the standard car buttons or your smartphone.